Hashing Sean an Alba nuag draste called in the Wanderers. Skip a Lissachiachka agus a gullige son Kemme and now Wrexham a Gachad. Agus Hashin Talagaina Gaiv vil Fisachka it Kiel Gaelic a Soinkentis a Hachka in the Brasje. Stach could be Gaelic ik feeling, Stach nach be Hishing. And so it's Arkala or Dachi or Mana.
One is our home, I know that.
You could be a natural Gaelic speaker for all.
Yeah, I could be. Look at the badge, it might give you a hint. Both.
You're on the water now. There you go. We've got a natural Gaelic speaker here. Hey. And then the second one is our Dachi.
Our family, something like that.
It's something that will always be yours.
No idea. Yeah, not
When you leave from it, when you go somewhere else, you always long for it.
Yeah, I'm fluent.
He's fluent in Gaelic.
Yeah.
Is it? Our home vacation?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, that's number two. Halifax is something that makes you you. What makes you you? What makes you individual from the crowd? What do you think?
Oh, our spirit, our soul.
There you go.
Is it? And this might be wrong. If you guess the right soul, I'm embarrassed.
You got it, Baz. You got it right. 3 for 3.
It's now in order. I don't know how they sound. I just know in order. Our harbor, our home, our soul.
Our harbor, our home, our soul.
My work here is done. So well done, boys. Absolutely fantastic match. Thank you. Natural Gaelic speaker over here. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I'm fluent now.
There you go.